Yo, hey, what's up, guys? I'm back in Florida. I'm about to take the Camaro to change finally the muffler. I'm gonna have them put on a Borla muffler that I bought for myself on Christmas. I gave myself a Christmas gift. So we're on our way there now, and I hope I can make it. I hope it doesn't fall off the car. Here it is. Here's the baby. No scratches, like always. Crispy and clean. The wheels are dirty. That's why I'm gonna change the brakes. The brakes gonna be next. So once I change the brakes, I probably won't have that dust problem. I washed it and the next day was like that. It's unbelievable, the dust. It comes off the pads. And these are the ones I'm gonna put power stop, and these. That's gonna be my next installation. Well, anyway, I'm on my way out there. I'm on my way to the muffler shop. Wish me luck, and I'll let you know how it sounds. Matter of fact, let me do a sound test for you guys. Oh shit! That should be good for me, I think. Okay guys, that should be it. Let me get head on out there because I'm running a little late, and I'll let you see not the installation. I'll let you see how it sounds. Peace. All right, I'm in the car now. On my way over there. It's my first time going to this place. I hope I don't have a problem. All right. Camera's moving all over the place. Gotta get the seatbelt right because it's twisted. I don't know why it's twisted like that. Oh, I'm sweating like a pig. I gotta get used to this weather. When I'm in New York, it's freezing. I gotta get used to this weather. It's hot. It's not that hot today, but it's hot for us. When we come from New York, we feel it. We get hotter than the people that have been here because they're used to it. All right, with that, I'm not gonna record and drive. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Peace. Okay guys, this is the shop. Alright, okay guys, I'm here. I just made it to the place. It's called Muffler Man. And I spoke to the gentleman, Mr. Greg. He's gonna take care of me. He does a good job, so we should be okay. Hey guys, I got it done. I got it installed. I'm gonna let you hear it, the whole thing, when I get to the house. But now I'm just gonna give you a little taste from the inside and see if you can hear it. I should have done that before. Hold on, let me see if I can get this on here. Ooh, not easy when it's going in. Just a minute. Let me get my seatbelt off because I gotta travel 9 miles. Okay. Alright guys, so they installed it with no problems. I gotta come back and get the other one. Damn, roasting. It's hot. It's not that hot today, but it's hot for me. Whew. So let's get on out. Let's see if you can hear it. Okay, we're gonna go out here. Thank you, Jesus. People drive like they don't want to get there, boy. This is Florida. They drive like they don't want to get to the destination. Let me see what this GPS is. I don't know where the hell I'm going. Let's go straight. All right. Let me see if you get a little bit of it. Let's check it out. How that sound? Woohoo! Woohoo! Love it. It's not too loud and obnoxious, and it's just right. It's perfect. It's not too loud or too low. And I hope it doesn't give me any problems. I'll be able to enjoy it for a couple of years, at least a few years. Anyway, here we go. Vámonos. So let's see where I'm going. You hear it? Sounds cool.
Turn right, and then exit right. Exit right.
All right, here we go. We're gonna get on the highway.
Keep left.
Let's see. Gotta pay attention. I know how to
In a quarter of a
beautiful.
mile, keep left.
Oh my God, another toll? Jeez. Get to the toll, baby. Get to the toll, baby. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Just keep left. All right, baby. Gotta get the toll. Hey, he went through without it says no tolls. I guess he must not have easy pass. Sunshine pass. Let's keep left, but there's no other exit here. What the hell? Okay. Keep left. I'm gonna make a whole right turn here. You hear it? Oh man, it sounds so good. This is a Borla. The Borla. It's not it's the S type, not the Attack. This is the S type. Now I gotta come back and get the old muffler because it's still brand new. It's only got like 5,000 miles on that muffler. Matter of fact, 5,166. 5166. That's how much it has on it. Oh my God! Don't tell me this is gonna take me around in circles. It's telling me to make a U-turn. What the hell? Exit 259. Alright guys, anyway, let me pay attention. I'll get back to you when I get over there. What's up guys? What's up guys? Just got back, 5:05 in the afternoon. This is my breakfast right here. I haven't even had breakfast. And I'm diabetic, but it's okay. Got things to do. That's how it is. Anyway, I'm done. I brought the car back, and what the hell I want to do? Oh yeah, let me get the key so you can hear it. That's what I want to do. Give you what you call it. Listen to the new muffler. It sounds great, especially on the road too, on the highway. Let me put this here for a second. This one. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a quick listen to the new muffler. Woohoo! If I found the keys, I would be able to start it. Alright guys, give me 1 second. Forgot my keys. I'm an idiot. Oh, here you go, in my side. Got it. They're right here. Okay? Let's just make sure that this is on. Alright, this is a hot turn. It's hot. Borla S type, sounding real good. I love it. I'm happy. And tune in to the next video. I'm going to be installing the brakes. I don't know if I do it myself. I'm thinking about it. I don't have that machine to take the two bolts out of the caliper, but I'll see. I'll manage. If I can find the wrench here, I'm going to put them on. These are the brakes right here. Brand new. They're from Power Stop. I'm not endorsing because they don't sponsor none of my videos. Nobody sponsors. But anyway, guys, if you like the video, I would appreciate it if you can give me a like and subscribe and share the video. I would greatly appreciate that. And yeah, so with that, This is JR Boricua 7 from Florida. Yo, 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 yo. Peace.
Adios, above.